How many times you have written code like this and wished that the URL instance is an actual URL object? Right now it is string. So let's see how we can write the exact same code, but we will end up with a URL or a URL object. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use extension and extend the URL class by using ExpressibleStringLiteral. I'm also using Xcode 10 beta 3. One of the functions that you have to implement is called the initializer, and you're going to pass in the literal and the value, which will be of type string. In the string, you can simply go ahead, or in the initializer, you can simply go ahead and create this particular URL, passing in the value. And that is pretty much it. Let's go ahead and see this in action. One thing we have to do is we have to explicitly state that the URL is a property of type URL. Let's go ahead and run this. And now you can see on the right-hand side, it's no longer a string, but it's a URL. I can also look at all the different properties available on the URL class. And this is what you can do with using the ExpressibleByStringLiteral. If you have liked this small video, please let me know, and I will create more iOS and other development topics. If you like to purchase and support me, go to my Udemy page and purchase one of my courses. I have courses on augmented reality, core ML, blockchain development, and even server-side Swift. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy these videos.